Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Angel Chanel, and you have just entered another episode here at The Glow Experience. For those of you that it is your first time viewing me here at The Glow Experience, I'd like to take a second and just thank you for coming over and seeing what we're all about here at my channel. And I'd also like for you to take a moment and just go ahead and hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that ring bell button so that you don't miss a video here that I post at my channel, alright? So, getting on into this video, you guys, this is, according to the title, as you saw, yes, another Amazon wig hair review. This wig here, you guys, it is in this pack. This one is a lace frontal body wave unit. This one that I have on is that other AliExpress wig that I showed you guys in the last video. Not AliExpress, Lord. Amazon wig that I showed you guys in the last video. That water wave wig. This is the wig, you guys. I have not done anything to this wig. Like, I literally just woke up this morning, threw it on my head, put this hat on, and ran out the door because I went to go get my nails done today. And yeah, I just didn't feel like doing my hair. And I knew I was going to be doing this video, so I didn't feel like doing my hair. But without further ado, getting on into this hair here is awesome. So let's try this other Amazon wig. This company, you guys, sent me this wig and wanted me to review the unit for them. This is from dang, what's the name of this company? I believe it's ALIONLY company. I'll have all of the information posted below in the description box. Yeah, let's see. All right, yeah, so this is ALIONLY hair. So you guys can see that. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, this is ALIONLY hair. I'll post, like I said, I'll post all of their stuff in the description box below. Those are the same two little things. They also sent, y'all know how companies do send you like they own lashes or whatever. So yeah, those are those. Those are these. You can give it this or you can give it that. But these are these, you know. From Glow Point Collections, you know, shop with your girl. Shop with me. Nah, for real though, these are my lashes, so go ahead and shop with me. Matter of fact, lashes on sale, all lashes $10 right now. You save $5. Link in the description box. Alright guys, but yes, this is the wig. So I'm saying first, okay, off bat, they gave me a little wig cap, which that's cool. Even though I have plenty of those, you know. You order a wig from Wigs by Angel Chanel, you get a free one of these free caps in yours as well. But yeah, they sent me that. They sent me some, what is this? This an elastic band? Okay, yeah, this is an elastic band they sent. And then, y'all, I got a feeling just like we had to do with this one, I'm gonna have to bleach the knots on this one. This is a, yeah, this is a 20-inch also, you guys. So this was a 20-inch and this is a 20-inch. This is a 20-inch body wave. Let me take this out, y'all. It's sticking to me. It's sticking to me. She don't want to let go of me. Dang, she really sticking to everything. Okay. Alright guys, this is the wig unit. Okay, yeah. Oh, that's what they did. Okay. So they gave me the elastic band because they did not sew it on the inside. This wig unit came with, of course, the little hookies, and then it came with an elastic band already sewed on the inside of this one. This one is a 4x4 closure also. This one, 13x4 lace frontal. Yeah, we're gonna have to go through and bleach these knots real quick. But yeah, it didn't come with the the elastic band in it. But this is the wig, you guys. It is a 13x4 lace frontal. Goes from ear to ear. From what I am seeing, just straight out the package, it does look pretty good. But let's run these fingers through it, see for shedding. About 2 strands there. One strand. Okay, so you know it's looking pretty good for me to be running my fingers through it and stuff, you know. Okay, but you guys, you know what we have to do. We do have to go ahead and bleach the knots. Alrighty guys, so while that is processing for 15 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and get ourselves together, prep our scalp and stuff, because once I rinse this out and blow dry it, we're gonna go ahead and install this wig onto our head, okay? So let's get to it. My apologies, you guys. My phone did die when I was in the process of putting the wig on my head, but I do have plenty of videos on my channel showing me installing the wig unit on my head already. If you guys have not seen that, go ahead and subscribe and go and look at those videos, okay? Alrighty guys, so this is the finished look, the final look of the wig from ALIONLY. That's where it's from. Once again, the description, everything for this wig will be posted down in the description, y'all. But yes, this is the wig, y'all. This is my first time doing a little swoop. I'm gonna have to get better with that swoop, but we got the swoop, sis. We got the swoop. You know, we got the baby hairs in there too, you know. Yeah. Gotta clean that up a little bit, but it's cool, y'all get it. Overall, turn around so y'all can see what it's looking like. I don't even know what it's looking like in the back, so y'all got it. Y'all know. But yeah, this wig, I will give it a 10 out of a 10. The only thing I don't like about this wig is that I can tell that it has synthetic fibers in it. However, it is some good hair. I'm not knocking the hair, y'all. I'm gonna have to go ahead and curl this again, because for some reason this little bad boy don't want to curl. This little piece right here, like, it's just giving me issues. She don't want to cooperate. She does not want to cooperate, you guys. One more time. But yeah, you guys, this wig is a pretty good wig. I am tripping. I need my mirror. Hold on. Alright, you guys, yes. So this wig is a pretty good wig. This hair on it is very good. Very minimal shedding. Very minimal shedding. The only thing I will say is that in the frontal it does have a lot of those little flyaways, which that I did not like. But all in all, nothing that can't be fixed on this wig. Y'all, this is it. This is it. All right, so thank you all for watching my video, and I'll see you next time.